Welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and today we are excited to begin unboxing our 2024 Sallie Tomato Co Box. This year we were inspired by one of the Pantone colors of the year, Apricot Crush, and we hope that it inspires your creativity. Each day we will unbox one item with you, and not only will we share what the items are inside, but we will also be sharing some tips and educational information on each of the items in the box. We had so much fun designing the artwork for the box and hand-picking all of the items to go inside. So on the outside here, we have Sallie Tomato Co 2024, and I am gonna open up the box with you. Look how pretty. I love the sticker, the tissue paper. This is so much fun. We were hoping that this box is a really fun, fresh way to start your spring and summer projects and inspire your sewing ahead. I love all of the details that our team added to make it feel like these items are fresh from the farmer's market. So I'm gonna find day one and set the box aside. So here we have day one. It says, an eco-friendly hand-pick selection for you to use in upcoming projects in this box. So we are kicking off this 14-day box with a signature Sallie Tomato item, which is cork fabric. We have 3 beautiful prints, including the daisy check cork, Sunstone cork, and Argyle cork fabric, which are all 1/3 yard cuts. And I'd like to share 3 quick tips for cork fabric to go along with your 3 cork fabrics in the box. First of all, Sallie Tomato cork is easy to sew with and it handles like a quality leather or vinyl. We recommend a Microtex needle, but you can also use a universal 80-12 needle without a problem. Second, our cork fabric is non-woven, so it does not fray. And because of that, I always recommend this fabric to beginners because you don't have to worry about finishing off the raw edges. This material is great for applique or creating straps and handles for bags. If you want to add a polished finished edge, check out our videos on applying edge coat. And my third tip is that cork fabric is stain resistant and water resistant, but if you do need to clean it, you can simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth or mild detergent and let it air dry. Cork fabric is a durable and fun material to sew with. You can use this cork for upcoming projects in this box, hint hint, or you can save it and use it for whatever inspires you, including anything from wallets to totes to home decor. I hope you enjoyed today's item, and if you would like to snag next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, we've added a link below that you can join our newsletter so you can be notified when it releases. We encourage you to share and show off photos of the items that you receive in this box and your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day.